Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Design Trend Seeker. So, if you are new around here, my name is Danielle. In today's video, we're going to be taking a look at some more fall decor ideas and reacting to them. So, here we have someone, I think this person is making a pillowcase. Oh, they used a pillowcase to make pumpkins. Oh, that is cute. Those are so nice and cozy. Alright, so moving on to DIY number 2. This one involves some clay. So she's taking a string here, tying it around the ball of clay. Looks like she's making a pumpkin here. So after sculpting it, she does go in with some paint. This is a cute little idea, making your own pumpkins out of clay. Very nice. They're so small and cute too. I feel like that would be like a little fun fall project to do. Alright, so next up, 4 packs of rope, 3 pumpkins, 1 gold plastic plate. So if you want to buy stuff from the dollar store that's like fall themed, make sure you go early. Like now would be a good time to go because that stuff can sell out really fast. And it looks like she made like a decorative tray there. Fall vibes. You got the pumpkin themed candles. Those are probably my favorite part about fall. Honestly, I love the way that they smell. It's just so relaxing. That and making like pumpkin themed lattes. And she has a very like neutral color scheme here with the fall decor, which is more my type of vibe. So here's a white pumpkin, painting the stem silver. Oh, gold hearts, that's cute. And adding gems and maybe a few pearls, let's see. So this is kind of like a glam themed DIY pumpkin. I love this idea. Oh, it's a jack-o'-lantern. Oh, that's cute. Oh, wow, this is beautiful. Such a cool idea. This would be another like cool weekend fall project to do. Very cool. And then we have a lantern inspired DIY. So this one features like some orange amber glass. These would be cute to like place around your home or outdoors, obviously. So question, when do you guys normally like to decorate for the fall season? I typically like to wait until like at least the first week of September. I used to do the end of August, but September just feels better to me. Like after Labor Day weekend has passed, it's like, okay, it's time to start decorating for fall. So she has some fairy lights going here. It's the light source. Ooh, that's pretty. She added some twine around the lid just to give it a little bit more of like a fall look. Cute little simple and easy DIY project to try out. And these are kind of small, so I think they would work better in the house, but very cute idea. Next up, we have someone else with a jack-o'-lantern, and they're gonna be turning it into more of like a terracotta. So she decided to make her own because it was $89, and that is just outrageous for a terracotta pumpkin. Like, no. So she bought the paint from Home Depot, the baking soda. My baking soda is going to give it like a nice little texture. You go in with like a peachy type of color, terracotta, and then mix the baking soda for some texture and create a cute little terracotta themed pumpkin. Very cute. And believe it or not, I do think that this is a beginner-friendly project. I mean, it's nothing complicated about it. You're basically just painting a pumpkin. Really cute idea. And that came out amazing. Next up, we have a pumpkin mirror design. So they have this black mirror and they painted the perimeter gold. Almost looks like a cute little handbag. So she goes with these little jewel pieces, I guess, or something like that, and then glues them towards the base. And this kind of use it more like that fall look with the orange. I'm kind of confused about that one though. I'm not even gonna lie to you guys. I wish we would have got a 360 of that particular project. Alright you guys, I hope you did enjoy this one. Please be sure to give it a big thumbs up. If you did, hit that subscribe button and I will see you in the next one.